In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make battle rope straps that will prolong your battle rope's lifespan. What's up guys, my name is Max. I used to be a 200-pound man, and after 2 years later, I have lost 40 pounds and I'm sticking to it. In this channel, I'm dedicated to help you to start the journey to the best you. So consider subscribing. All right, today I'm gonna quickly show you how to make yourself a battle rope strap. Battle rope strap is very, very important if you want to prolong your battle rope's life. Battle rope is not cheap, so we should keep it for as long as possible. If you don't have a battle rope strap, what it does is if you are wrapping it around like a post or like a squat rack, the more you use it, your battle rope will get cut up. All right guys, to make a battle rope strap is super simple. Get yourself an old bag, the strap like this, okay? Perfect for our battle rope straps, okay? So what you need to do is just take up the straps. You know, sometimes here they'll have some stitches and then you just need to take out the stitches, okay? The battle rope strap, it's super simple. You tie a knot on both ends with a loop. So what I do with this is I just do a loop like that. And then that's it. That's all the loop I need, okay? There you have it. Okay, so now you have your straps, and here's our anchor point. What you can easily do now is just wrap the strap around the anchor point. Now there are two ways you can do this. You could either A, loop the battle rope into this loop, okay? This is, you know, it'll take a bit longer because you gotta wrap all, depending on how long your rope is, but you gotta make sure just wrap it through. So you take your rope and you will wrap it in. So you can set it up like that, but to me, I feel it takes too long. So what I do is I have a carabiner hook I use for my other application. So now, if you have a carabiner hook, what you can easily do is wrap it around like this, get the hook, hook it together like this, okay? So now your battle rope can just loop in, and there's your anchor. Now, if you don't have any bags lying around for the straps, well, you can also buy it on Amazon, and I do still think it is a great investment. I will link some of my choice of battle rope straps down in the description down below. You can now click on the card above to work out with me for 15-minute battle rope workout.